In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent background in GIMP. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a background so your subject sits on a clean, see-through canvas, perfect for logos, product shots, or layering images in other designs. Start by opening your image in GIMP so it appears on the main canvas. Make sure the image layer you want to edit is active. You can check this in the Layers panel, which is usually docked on the right side of the screen. You should see a thumbnail and the layer name highlighted to indicate it's selected. Next, right-click on that layer in the Layers panel. You'll see a menu with several options. Choose Add Alpha Channel. This is essential because it enables transparency on that layer. If this option is grayed out, it's already been added, and you're good to go. Without an alpha channel, deleting parts of the image would replace them with a solid color instead of transparency. Now, head to your toolbox and select the Fuzzy Select tool, often called the Magic Wand. This tool selects areas of similar color, which makes it great for backgrounds, especially if they're solid or fairly uniform. If needed, take a moment to look at the tool options. Things like threshold control, how much of the similar color range is included in your selection. A higher threshold grabs more tones, a lower one keeps it tighter. If your background has gradients or shadows, a small adjustment here can make a big difference in accuracy. With the Fuzzy Select tool active, click directly on the background you want to remove. You should see a moving dotted line, sometimes called marching ants, outlining the chosen area. If it misses spots or grabs too much, undo and try again with a slightly different threshold. You can also click additional background areas individually to select pockets the first click didn't catch. Once the background area is selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Instantly, the selected background disappears, and you'll see a checkerboard pattern in its place. That checkerboard represents transparency. It won't show in your final design, but it confirms the background is gone. If you notice leftover bits around edges, simply select those areas and press Delete again. For cleaner results, zoom in and refine your clicks so you remove only what you intend. That's it. Open your image, enable the alpha channel, select the background with the Fuzzy Select tool, click to target it, and press Delete to reveal transparency. You now have a clean, transparent background ready to use in your next project.